Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, stop whatever you're doing because I just found the blueprint for our future dream home. This kitchen, it is an absolute jaw-dropping masterpiece. Wow. We're talking modern Tudor structure, right? But it's totally giving modern organic vibes with all this gorgeous light wood. This is how you do bright and minimalist without feeling cold, you know? They nailed it. Look at the light. The windows are insane. Massive black grate frames letting the sunshine pour in. And the contrast? It's perfection. We have those beautiful light white oak cabinets running along the main wall. I'd guess that counter run is easily 18 feet long, giving you all the prep space you could ever need. And that island? That is a command center, honey. It's a huge, solid 8-foot slab of pristine white countertop. Can you imagine brunch there? Seriously. The ceiling height is just soaring too. It has to be 9 feet 6 inches, making the whole room feel enormous. It solves that classic kitchen drama. You know, when kitchens feel cramped and dark? This design said nope and embraced light wood, sleek lines, and that full integrated appliance wall, which by the way, hides everything so your space always looks clean. It's a game changer. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.